Our communication roadmap for teams is for you who want to invest in your communication with your team leader or team members because you value a strong connection between them and yourself. In this video, I would like to give an overview of all the digital resources available in this roadmap. First of all, begin with the 2 free digital resources titled Communicate to Connect Definitions and Communicate to Connect 7 Steps. It's the perfect introduction to this roadmap as it gives you most of the important definitions and steps that you need to get going. The next step would be the book titled The Ultimate Conversation Companion for Teams. In this book, and that is volume 1, in this book you will find all of the detail that you need to advance further in this roadmap. The next and final step would be the book with the same title, but volume 2. Volume 2 contains more than 40 conversation guidelines that will enable you to have successful conversations by just following the guidelines with your team members or team leader. It's basically application or implementation of all of the knowledge that you have gained so far. As you enjoy this journey, just remember, in healthy relationships, it is all about connection.